They call them homosexuals, fish, shark, dyke, sodomite. But who are they really? They are our brothers and our sisters. Hello, Jamaica. I'm Sharlene, aka Jackie Chan, coordinator of Montego Bay Pride Jamaica. Welcome. This is Pride Month, and as we celebrate Pride Month, we must get a sense of having pride in ourselves, in our country, and our fellow Jamaicans. These persons are in the minority committing crime across Jamaica. Jamaica, let us put our hands and heart together. The world is changing, so let us change with the world. Not only Black Lives Matter, but love matter. All love matter. One love Jamaica, love up Jamaica. Thank you.